Alright, mi gente, this is Lottomanny. Welcome back to another show. We have a nice crispy $20. Let's hope we get to double it. This nice machine. Alright, here we go. 20 bucks. Alright, we're gonna do some crosswords. Got one of that. We'll take it. Nice 13, look at that. Okay, could be a good one. And let me get, you know what, let's do two back-to-back $10 tickets. Let's have a nice $20 scratch session. Let's hope we can multiply our money. Alright, 13, 12. Okay. Check you guys out later. Stay tuned, mi gente. I'll be back. Hope you guys having a great morning, noon and evening. Later, guys. What's going on, mi gente? This is Lottomanny at Scratch New York. Lotto tickets from good old Big Apple, New York City. Hope everybody's doing fantastic, happy, and healthy. Enjoying your morning, noon, and evening, folks. All right, let's go, mi gente. Another spectacular scratch session for all of us to enjoy. Let's hope this machine gave us big winning crossword tickets for this $20 session. Let's hope for the best. If you guys are gambling on your end, please play responsibly, play within limit, play smart wherever you are. Another state, another country, another city, another world, in a different galaxy. Enjoy it. Please play responsibly, and let's make this, let's have fun. All right. And of course, before we start, go get comfortable. Go get your nice cold water, your tea, your coffee, your milk, your brewski, sodas, and let's enjoy this show. And of course, please do us a solid. It's completely free. It takes literally like 2 seconds, or 3 seconds. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, enable that notification button, hit that little bell so we could get this channel moving in the right direction. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. Without your help, yes, thank you, your help, thank you so much. It won't be possible. Let's get this, keep this momentum going, keep this community, little scratch family we have here going, growing, so you guys, can we bring you guys more bigger sessions, longer sessions, more tickets to scratch. All right, folks, here we go. Excited to share these with you. All right, let's see this video. Look, as you saw, 012 and 013, lucky 13 for all those lucky 13 believers. So number 13, white line ticket too. Let's hope they treat us well. Number 13, 2 bonus work, clock and chill. And ticket number 12, right smell. All right, let's hope we get those big bonus. Let's go with number 12. And odds of break even for these tickets are 1 and 4.32. Multipliers are 1x, 2x, 5x, 10x, 20x, and 50 big X. All right, folks. Here we go. Get this. Situated correctly. Okay. All right. Here we go. Good luck to us. Let's get it. Let's get big wins. D and B. No D and B for these bonus words. DB upstairs. Let me see. That's the B. D. D. B. Okay. Barbell, let's go. Next two is TE. All right, got the TE here. E. Good. TEs. Any more TEs? Okay, and that was this guy. Okay. XG. No X, no G there, man. J and A. There's the J. Almost missed that one. CUs. Okay, first word, folks. We need two more. CUs. No C's, no U's. I don't see any. K double L's. YL. The S, folks, we need the M. Okay, SF. S and F's, okay. I got the W, okay. WV. Okay, W. No V. Last four. K. Come on. Last two, come on. R, okay. Alright, so now we need the I or the M. Come on, can we get that here? What do we have first for the R? R. No more R's. Got the R here. Okay. Here we go, folks. Come on. Can we get the I or the M? Come on. All right, we need the I with the M again. Here we go. I or M. Oh, jeez. The heck is the Z going on there? Come on. All right. So no bonus win, folks. But do we have a winner? Take a quick look. Go through it yourselves. We'll do it both at the same time shortly. Let me know. Do I have a big win? Did I miss any letters? All right, here we go. Forgot about this L's. These lovely L's. All right, here we go, folks. No M, no O's, no N, and no I's. M-O-N-I. M-O-N-I's, okay. Left to right, we got cub. That's one. No M-O-N-I. No O's. Only one word left to right, up and down. Conga, no. M-O-N-I. Artistic, nope. No O's. No N. M-O-N-I. No M-O-N-I. Nope. And cape. Two words up here. That's not a winner. That's not enough. What about here? We have no. Left to right. Barbell. Up and down. No O's. We got art. That's two. One more. No O's. No M. No O. No I. Man. Well. That's a shame. Multiply would have been wow. 20 big X. All right. First one was the loser of the $20 session. 012. All right, come on. 013, lucky 13 white line ticket. Can it come through for us? Okay, here we go, folks. Come on. Lucky 13. Here we go. Only clock and chill. Got the bottom. Okay. SH, folks. SH. We got the H. S and H. S. H. SH. Any more SH? Let me know, guys. You guys have any luck on these scratch word tickets? Let me know in the comments. What was your biggest win? U and Y. U, Y's. That's the Y. XR. Oh, that's the Y. Forgot about that. XR. Okay. K and V, we got one of the K's. We need C's for both. L's. Okay. K and V. K's V. J, D. J and D. C and T. Okay, we got the C's. CT's. C and T's. A, P. Okay. So that was the L. Man. I-N. We just need the L, folks, for that word. Come on, chill. Let me get a win. I and L. I-L. Okay. First word. Oh no, didn't get the L. That was I-N. I-N. Okay. WF. WF. Last two. Got the M. Okay, here we go. Last one. Can I get the L? Of course not. B. Got the B. All right, that's it, folks. Did we get a win? Ignore that L. That L did not come out. Let me know. Imagine should have gotten another 2 from that machine, but hey, that's what we could afford for that moment. It is what it is. Alright, folks. Let me know. We'll get a win. Let's do it together. No E, no L's, no E, no L, no O, no G's. E-L-O-G's. Alright, left to right. No E's, no L's there. No tactical. No, forget it because it's the L. We didn't get the L. E-L-O-G. No blue, ravioli. We got rain. That's 1. Bay, that's 2. 1 more for the win. E-L-O-G. Up and down. E-L-O-G. E-L. Nope, nope, nope. Nope. Man, nothing up there, folks. Watch, that's 1. No ice, no E. E-L-O-G. Nope, nope, nope. Crayon, no O, nope. Up and down. Hickory, no. Air, that's 2, and that's it. 2 here, 2 here. Not enough, folks. This would have been a nice 40 bucks, 30 bucks. Multiplier 2x. All right, folks. Well, there you have it. We'll give it a try another day. We'll try that machine again for another $20 session with these crossword tickets. Let's hope we'll get to win on those ones from that machine. Right, folks, this is Lottomanny. Hope you guys enjoyed this scratch session. It wasn't what we wanted. It wasn't the outcome that we wanted, but hey, we'll give it a try. We play within our limit for today. And with that, you shall too. Please play responsibly, play with the limit, play hard before you go outside spending your hard-earned cash, your hard-earned money. Look at the videos, look at our videos, because they are tough as nails. We bring you these losing sessions, because hey, that's the reality of gambling. They're not all winners like all these other channels tell you. They're not. They're more losers out there than winners. Break even sessions. Hey, sometimes we have our big winning sessions, but we'll continue to get those. Let's hope so. All right, this is Lottomanny again. It was a pleasure to show these to you. Thanks for spending some time with us. Again, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, enable that notification, hit that little bell so you guys won't miss any of our upcoming sessions. All right, folks, with that, it was a pleasure. Until next time, keep enjoying your morning, noon, and evening. We'll see you in the next video. Until next time, peace out, folks. Keep on scratching.